Now on an Apple iPhone, if you want to share your screen with others who also have an Apple iPhone, you can do that easily. You can do it with the FaceTime app. You don't need any third-party applications. One thing to note is that FaceTime only works between Apple iPhones. If the other person has an Android phone, it won't work. Anyways, in this video, we'll show you how to share your screen with others on an Apple iPhone. For this, you don't need to install any app. The FaceTime app comes as a default application on your phone. So, open the FaceTime app. After opening it, here you can see the New Call option. Click on New Call and select the contact you want to share your screen with. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After that, here you can see the FaceTime option. Click on FaceTime. This is a video call. Now on my second phone, I'm receiving the call and I've attended it. After that, if you want to share your screen, what you need to do is click on these three dots. When you click on that, here you can see the screen sharing option. Click on screen sharing. When you click on that, here you can see two options. One is ask to share and the other is share my screen. If you want to share your screen, just click on share my screen. And if you want the other person to share their screen, you need to select ask to share. Anyways, for example, I'm selecting share my screen. When you click on that, your screen will be shared with them. For example, if I'm minimizing this, you can see it on their side as well. If you want to maximize it, click on that and you can see it in full screen. Anyways, if I move around, you can see that it's visible on their side too. And there's not much lag, which is a good thing. It may depend on your network connection though. Anyways, after this, if you want to stop sharing, what you need to do is go back to the video call and click on the stop button. When you click on that, screen sharing will stop. And if you want to ask others to share their screen, click on these three dots, select screen sharing, and choose ask to share. When you do that, on their phone they'll see a notification like this. They just click on share. When they click on that, their screen will be shared with you. Here you can see their screen, and when you click on it, you can view it in full screen. Anyways, if you want to disconnect, click on the stop button and it will stop. Anyways, I'm disconnecting this call now. So this way, you can easily share your screen with others using FaceTime on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.